We are on the starting gate with Nancy van der Ven from Team Netherlands. Nancy, you had pretty good year, your first overall GP in Loket and first overall third place in the Women Motocross World Championship. How do you feel today representing your country?
Yeah, I feel really good to be here for the Netherlands and represent them, and I hope to give them back some really good results.
And what do you think about battles with Chiara?
Yeah, I hope to make some good battles, but maybe she's a lot faster, or maybe I'm also a little bit on the same speed, so we can have some battles, but I hope to make the best of it.
Thank you. And last but not least, women's turn today for a qualifying race of Motocross of European Nations.
Poter migliorare ancora. Piano Fontanini.
Chiara Fontanesi, fourth-time world champion and the winner of today's qualifying. How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm really happy to win because for sure it's my home race, so it's good to win here in Italy. And yeah, I try to make my own rhythm and try to be smoother and smoother and find the speed. So it is good. We won, and my teammate did second, so it is perfect. It's going to be a really good race tomorrow.
You had a little battle with Francesca Nocera, with your teammate. How was it fighting with your teammate?
Yeah, it was good because at the first corner I saw we both start first and second, so it was good to see her in front because it's good for the team. And yeah, for sure it's not easy to pass in this track because you cannot make a really good difference. There is only one good line and you cannot pass, and for sure I'm not going to block past her, that she's my teammate. So I just wait the good moment and I pass. But she also did a really good race and she had a good rhythm.
Francesca, successful race. Can you tell us a few words? How do you feel?
I feel really good. I really enjoyed the track, and me and Chiara, we did a great job. So we are ready for tomorrow and hope we'll be the same.
Good luck, ladies, Team Italy.